Hey Taurus, so I'm getting something about right now, in this very moment. So, okay, you're confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. Okay. So, when you have an awakening or when there's some type, I feel like a massive change, either it's already happened or it is coming in for you. You know, sometimes the changes can be easy and smooth, and sometimes it cannot. You know, it can be kind of jarring. It can be a little bit rough. Okay, Taurus. What do you want Taurus to know right now? So there's some type of books. You could be studying, learning something new. All right, what do you want to tell Taurus right now? So you have release. Work with Archangel Michael to let go of what no longer serves you or your purpose. It could be parents, something to do with parents. Doesn't have to be, but okay, Taurus. All right, Spirit, what do you want to tell Taurus right now? So consult an expert. So there must be something, there's more information. More information is needed. So you may need, and I have decision once again. All right, Taurus. What do you want Taurus to know right now? Time to move on. So you have release. Time to move on. So there's something Spirit wants you to release. You know, you could be hanging on to emotions, past memories. It could be, you know, whatever. So it's time to let go of the old and worn out so that the new can come in. So simplify your life. Healing your heart. Okay. Taurus. So now for some of you, you could have lost someone, and this could have happened a long time ago, but there's just, I don't know, there's something like a completion of something. I feel like so you can expand, and whatever this is, I don't know. All right, Taurus. Taurus. See, I just feel like there's a new phase coming. Something new, something different. Okay. So if there was a loss of some sort, it doesn't have to be a person. It could be a job. It could be, I don't know, something. Everyone's different. And of course, if you've lost someone, I mean, you know, you can't just walk away and, oh, whatever. I get that. But, okay, some of you could be your age, your appearance. That could kind of bother you, especially if you're a woman. Listen, I know it does me. So there's something about perfection. There seems to be blockages. There could be confusion. Something could be very bittersweet, but I feel like Spirit wants you to look at it in a different angle, in a different way. You know, okay, I'll just give you an example. You had something. It's gone. It's no longer. But, of course, I know that's hard to just let it go, but appreciate when you had it, possibly. I don't know what that's about, but there is some type of renewal. I'm trying to call you Capricorn now. And Pisces. Taurus. So, some of you could be grandparents, I just got. There's something about expansion. Something is very bittersweet. I feel like something is destined. It's meant to be, whatever that is. There could be something that's a little bit shady. It could even be dealing with mysticism, something like that. There could be finances around that. Someone could, I don't know what that means. There could be something shady with, I don't know. I'll leave it as that. Okay, outcome. Taurus. What is the outcome for Taurus? So discovery. And it's accepting where you are right now in life. Accepting things that are just the way they are. There's something that you need to release though. And of course, it could take some time to do this. There's a lot of impatience with something. Maybe there's a lot of discovery. You're going to discover something about yourself, or, you know, we'll see. Okay, Taurus. So you could have found some things out. Some secrets could have came out. There's something to do with closure. I feel like it's closure, possibly. You may not have closure on something. Like disappointed. Okay, Taurus. Taurus. You have the High Priestess. Trusting yourself. Trusting. So you could be kind of frustrated with something. Feeling mentally stuck, possibly. Now, there could be money. There could be opportunities. There could be, I just feel like there's a disappointment in something. Maybe you feel like something's never going to come in. Something's never going to happen. All right, Taurus. Taurus. So there could be some type of communication, possibly. You may be hiding your feelings, like not really saying how you feel, or this could be someone else. I feel like a lot of impatience about something, not being able to move forward from something that has already happened, possibly. Now, you or the other person. All right, Taurus. Taurus. So there could be like a lack of trust in something. Either you don't trust someone or they don't trust you, whichever. But I feel like it's, someone could be feeling like not enough, or so you or the other person may want clarity, like just tell me the truth, possibly. You just want truth and honesty. For some of you, this could be dealing with a child, a relationship. I just heard a son. Okay, Taurus. Doesn't have to be, of course. So something could be delayed, possibly. Taurus. Okay. So returning. Someone may be trying to return. You want someone to return. There could be something to do with finances. You may have, so there could be a lot of regrets in a situation, or you may have someone who returns for a reason. So there could have been some type of heartbreak or pain in a situation. Okay, I just heard someone may work a very, you know, back-breaking job for little pay, possibly. Okay, Taurus. Taurus. So you could be waiting for some news and it may not be coming in. Someone could be... See, I just feel like there's a lot of disagreements. There's something about not getting along, everyone not being on the same page, possibly a work situation. It could be a relationship. You could be wanting to see what else is out there, traveling somewhere, maybe relocating. But there could be something to do with finances, like I say. And if this is not you, it could be the other person. Like something being a burden, possibly. Taurus. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. I think I said in the beginning something about right now. There's something to do. Now, some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. You know, okay, this is what I'm getting. Think of an hourglass. You never know. We never know how much time we have left on this earth. So it's right now. There's something to do with right now, taking action. You could be searching for something, soul searching for some of you. Maybe not sure about the future, not sure about what's to come, possibly. Okay, Taurus. Taurus. There's something about living in the moment. I see the number 10. That could be a significance to you. So I feel like something, it's closure, possibly needing closure. Someone could be dependent on someone for finances, possibly. Like really working on something, focusing on something, but maybe not really putting effort into something. Now, someone could have lost a job or something slowing down. There could be some traveling. You could be at a distance from someone. Distance could be, there could be a separation for some reason. Feeling possibly like something was a waste of time. Okay, Taurus. Taurus. So, see, there's some type of loss, possibly grieving something or someone. Someone may not be able to afford their bills right now. Feeling possibly, I don't know why, like someone being very defensive, kind of rude. There could be gossip around a situation. You could be, wow. So there's either a family situation, there's a lot of heartbreak, confusion, like being standoffish, or I feel like feeling trapped in your head, overthinking something. See, there's some type of heartache, loss, maybe feeling unwanted. Oh gosh, my heart. So there could be a sense of you needing to walk away of what has been lost, you know. And of course, that is never an easy thing to do. No matter what you lost, you lose. Who knows, you know. But it's walking away from something. So, you know what I get a feeling of for some reason? Someone feeling shunned, abandoned, not wanted. You could be a grandparent. This could be grandchildren. Or a child, or I don't know. I keep wanting to call you Capricorn. And Aries. Let's see. Taurus. Taurus. So, okay. Now, if some of you have been out there on the dating scene, you could be dealing with someone that they're just a player. They could be a gold digger, a user, fake. They could possibly leave you feeling not wanted. Someone could have just suddenly departed. Abandoned, possibly. They could just not opening up, not. So holding something back, whether it's information back, whether it's, I just heard return to the scene of the crime, whatever that means. Taurus. Someone may not be really showing you their intentions or their hand or, you know, something like that. All right, Taurus. So you could be waiting for someone to return or vice versa, or hoping that someone would return. But I feel like Spirit wants you to look at a situation from a different perspective. So you have the Eight of Cups. It's leaving something behind, walking away from something, and it could just be emotions. Taurus. So like I said, there could have been an ending, a separation. So see, someone could have had you sitting and waiting, but possibly just so you wouldn't get away, if that makes sense. You could have been betrayed. You know, someone could have been deceiving you. In what way, I don't know. Someone could have headaches. Taurus. See, I just feel like there's confusion, not knowing which way to go, or someone could have just blindsided you in a situation. There could be opportunities. It's like going back and forth. You could be juggling with an idea or someone juggling you. I don't know. Wishy-washy. You could just be going back and forth in your head about something. Possibly hoping for a reunion. All right, Taurus. Could be dealing with a fire sign, a Libra. It can be anyone, a Pisces. So, now your outcome, you have the Two of Cups, Ten of Cups. So, you may want this relationship, this union, this whatever. Some of you have this now, but some of you don't. And you could just be dealing with someone who's, you know, they're just not very trustworthy. They're not consistent. It's almost like they keep you stuck and trapped in this hole. It's like they're cutting your wings so you don't get away from them, if that makes sense. Something like that. All right, Taurus. But it's like not being dependent on someone else to fulfill you, to make you happy. It's something about feeling whole within yourself for someone. All right, Taurus. So you keep getting the King of Wands. Now you or the other person could have walked away. I feel like something causes... I feel like there's a completion in something. So I don't know what has left. But it does cause... I feel like my chest is heavy. I don't know why. I feel like So I don't know what has happened. You could be feeling destroyed, or the other person, like I said, like a stressful situation, needing more information, needing details of something. See, I keep thinking Capricorn. Taurus. there's confusion. There could be confusion in a situation that could be weighing you down. Taurus. So like I said, feeling rejection, feeling, you know, someone could have just been pretending, making you feel a certain way when all along they could have been, I don't know, they could have just been playing, you know, not being honest. Could be a group of people. It could be, I feel like Spirit wants you to surrender something. I don't know what. Why do I keep thinking Capricorn? Taurus. See, there could have, something suddenly could have happened for some of you. Could also be dealing with a Virgo. Something could be making you or the other person feel empty. So I feel like something suddenly happened. There's a lot of confusion in the situation. Okay. Taurus. I feel like Spirit wants you to set yourself free from something. And of course, whatever the situation is, it takes time. There's a clock. But at the same time, we don't know how much time we have or we have with someone, whatever that means. Enjoy right now. So it's freeing yourself for a new love. Freeing yourself from something so something new can come in. So that's what I'm saying. There could be some type of emotions, something unfulfilling, something that leaves you feeling trapped in something, in love, feeling trapped in, I don't know what. But see, you keep getting the Nine of Pentacles as well. It's just freeing yourself, being whole within yourself. You know, because we never know when someone's going to leave or just depart suddenly. But there's something about having passion for life right now. Whatever that means to you, Taurus. I hope this makes sense. So see, there's like a separation of something. Maybe you need to get out of your feelings about something or someone, which, of course, like I say, it takes time. Could be dealing with a Gemini as well. All right, Taurus. So there's gathering more information. Feeling powerless in a situation. Very stressful. You may be trying to keep something together. So some secrets could have come out. I feel like something shocking or something sudden. Whatever this is. Taurus. Now, past, present, future, I don't know. Goodness. Queen of Wands reverse. So, now this could be a friend. You could be dealing with another Taurus. It just could be something that could be gossip. It could be news. It could be whatever. You could be feeling like something was just unfair. For some of you, there could have been a loss of some sort. Okay, Taurus. So, I see, it's something to do with the past. I feel like not beating yourself up over something. Like I say, some of you, this could be a child. Children, I don't know. Siblings, a father figure, you know, like I said, grandchild, grandparent, a child. Could be anything. Of love interest, of course. Calm calm after the storm. You could be in like a storm of some sort, an emotional storm. It could be just a storm, of course. I mean, we have this horrible freezing weather. It's just ridiculous. Okay. Taurus. Could be dealing with an Aries as well. Cancer. Some of you guys, now slow down if you're driving. See, I feel like there's something not moving forward, but a feeling of emotional happiness. So I'm feeling like there's some type of loss of something now. Feeling abandoned, exiled. Someone could need help with finances. Someone may be struggling right now with something. Taurus, okay, I can't leave you like that. Let me get one more. Let me find my deck. I don't know why I do this. Oh, goodness. You know, you can never find anything when you need it. Okay, Taurus. So, last message for Taurus. I feel like there's a lot that you're going to discover about yourself. So, having confidence. Confidence is the key. So, that's what I'm saying. A tough end of a tough cycle. So, you could be just going through something. Everyone would be different. Bring love into a situation. And conclusions. So, you're going to get some type of answers. All right, Taurus. So, last message, Taurus. What do you want to tell Taurus right now? See, a win-win forecast. The answers you need are coming. Could be dealing with a Libra. I feel like things are going to balance out. You're going to win no matter what. Something is going to balance out. So maybe your commitment is being tested, and it could be with the divine, with God. You need to surrender something. Confidence is the key, though. So that's what I'm saying. There could be some type of emotions kind of running high, whatever that is. Of course, if it's something tragic, of course, you can't just move on. But something is taking time, and there's going to be a lot of changes. So anyway, Taurus, that's what I have for you. See you in the next one.